CUMSA is an innovative high-tech company that creates standardized technical solutions for molding and plastic injecting. With 45 years of experience under our belts, our strategic expansion into key markets such as Spain, Portugal, Italy, Germany, the United States and China affirms our commitment to a truly global approach and reinforces our position as a leading multinational in the manufacturing of components for the molding industry. But at CUMSA, we're forward-looking. We're committed more than ever to R&D and I as a fundamental element to provide the best solutions and maximize value to our customers. For this reason, we design and produce fully interchangeable standard parts that reduce mold manufacturing time by 30 to 40%. Thanks to the easy installation and quick replacement along the mold parting line, our parts help customers minimize production downtime and lowering their cost by reducing the size of the molds. In addition, we have a team of excellent professionals. Each member plays an essential role in the achievement of our goals. Our values are what define us. Creativity to stay one step ahead of the game. Unity because together we go further. Motivation, which provides us with optimism, positive energy, flexibility and agility. Outstanding service to our stakeholders. And an open, detail-oriented mind. This is CUMSA. We are dedicated to continuing to standardize, develop, manufacture and market innovative solutions for the molding sector, with the aim of becoming global leaders in offering products with a high added value for designers, mold makers and plastic injectors. And we want to count on you. Will you join the future of innovation? CUMSA, innovative solutions for your molds.